Hi there, Natalie with you today with an unboxing of this month's add-on kit. And I'm sure you've seen already Crystal's unboxing of the Storytelling Life Crafted kit. So I'm going to put it aside, and it's a beautiful kit, so you want to make sure you check it out. But I want to focus on the add-on kit. So let me just get started. This month you're going to get selection of an antique paper. I actually got a dictionary page, and I love working with this on my pages. So the selection of cardstock for this month is, I'm going to say it's kind of a salmon. It matches the Flamingo Life Crafted album. That's the best description that I can give it. So you're going to get one of those, and also a sheet of white cardstock from American Crafts. I'm just going to move stuff here so you can see all of it. And this month's selection of papers come from different manufacturers. You're going to find a fresh bouquet from Crepe paper. This is Charmed. This is Flora. Sorry, I'm just trying to put them together here. This is Flora. You're gonna get Garden. You're also gonna get Ever After. So it's very floral, has a really soft palette. So these are the 4 papers from Crepe Paper's Fresh Bouquet. You're also gonna receive 2 papers from Simple Stories Kate and Ash collection. This is Awkward, and also Hey Girl. You also get, the selection also includes 2 papers from the Let's Stay Home collection from Pink Fresh Studio. This is Kind Hearts, and this is Hope for a New Day. There's a beautiful rainbow. One of the papers that you also receive is, this is from the Old School collection from Heidi Swapp. And there's another paper from Heidi Swapp, but this is from the Storyline Chapters collection, and this is called Staycation. So these are the A sides. I'm just gonna gather them together to show you how beautiful the B sides. And as always, they have been curated so that they coordinate with the Life Crafted album, and they can work on its own too. And it's a beautiful palette this month. So the B side of the Storyline paper has this beautiful damask, I think that's the name of it is, but it's a beautiful print with that distressed look on it. Love it. These are the papers from Heidi Swapp, and this has a beautiful, I'm gonna say you can fussy cut the flowers because they're that beautiful. The B side of the Hope for a New Day, this is from Pink Fresh Studio, has this beautiful navy, not navy, it's a blue tone. There's a print in it that is really soft, beautiful background paper. And this one is Kind Hearts, has this mustardy yellow tone. Now the Simple Stories papers, this I remember from the Kate and Ash collection. The B side has this black, so there's pops of black on the kits, and then also in this in both of the kits. And this is the Awkward paper. The B side is beautiful, kind of minty teal. Now the B sides of the Fresh Bouquet papers has this beautiful tone-on-tone blush. Another tone-on-tone, more of a pink. This one has a beautiful black and white grid. And this cut-apart sheet is actually also a cut-apart on the back, which is beautiful. These are all the papers that are included in this month's kit. Now you're also gonna receive a few doilies. This is part of the embellishments. The other embellishment that you're gonna receive are the chipboard flare from Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home collection, and it matches the colors of the kit. You're gonna receive the entire package of the Bouquet stickers. These are the foam stickers from the Fresh Bouquet collection from Crepe paper. You're also gonna receive the Puffy stickers from the Sweet Story collection from Maggie Holmes. This is all included in the add-on kit. And you will receive the entire package of the Fresh Bouquet ephemera. And this is such a beautiful collection, and the ephemera is just gorgeous. There's little acetate flowers, some birds, more florals, which is very Crepe paper florals. Lots of little frames. There's some tags, there's some cut aparts, more tags, tons that you can use to layer or to add to your pocket pages. So I'm just gonna move them a little bit so you can see what comes in this kit. And I hope that you actually remember that you can pick it up and have it shipped along with your Life Crafted kit if you're a subscriber. If not, you can buy it separately. But I want to show you also a few things that are also going to be that you can add on to your box. And these are add-ons that coordinate with this kit. This month, you're going to find photo corners from the Fresh Bouquet Crepe paper collection. And these are actually, you can find them at the shop right now. These are actually metal. They are not sticky, they're actually metal photo corners. So they're gonna make a beautiful detail on your pages, on anything that you wanna work with. So you can find this at the shop. You can also find the Puffy stickers from Crepe Paper's Fresh Bouquet collection. Again, this is like an embossed Puffy sticker, and these are two of the items that will be available at the shop. I'm just putting them on this side. Don't forget to also check the stamp. You have the Traveler's Notebook stamp that will match the Life Crafted kit, but you can buy it on its own and it's perfect. Just, the theme for this month is storytelling. So lots of the story of today, summer story of us, story of me. There's always the stories to tell. Don't forget that. There's always the stories to tell. And then the matching Life Crafted, this is Life. It's called Stories. Again, stories, details, summer feelings, beautiful things that you can do with it. Just an example of what you can create on the background. And then also what you're gonna find at the shop is the Bailey Thick and Thin. This stamp is one that I have something to do with it, but I love it. It has two different thickness of the same font, so it's perfect to create a background, titles, and it's bigger than the regular Bailey. The regular Bailey is only a 4x6. It's a 6x8 stamp. So don't forget to check this out. These are all add-ons on the shop. At the same time, I want to show you some of the digitals that are available. You're gonna have the cut apart sheets, which are for free if you're a subscriber to the Life Crafted kit. If not, you can always purchase them. These are the digital tags. These are the digital cut apart. Sorry, these are the ones that are for free if you're a subscriber. These here are the digital tags. You can purchase them. And as always, we have there is 10 basic TN papers, digital papers that you can also purchase in the digital shop. This is just 4 of them, and all you have to do is they're already pre-made for you. You can add your picture, add your story, and you're ready to use them in your layouts or your Life Crafted album, whichever is your form of documenting. So this is some of the add-ons that like I said, are already available at the shop, and this month's August add-on kit. Thank you so much for joining me. I cannot wait to see what you put together with this. Take care, guys.